Hello, this is a demonstration of our application for the nonprofit Food4Lives. Food4Lives is a food bank located in Atlanta, Georgia. It provides groceries, meals, as well as other resources to the impoverished of Atlanta. This demo is an Android version of our app. We do have an iPhone version, but for the purposes of this, we're only going to go through the Android version. So we're going to go ahead and open the app. We integrated an icon from the organization, our partner organization, into the app. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Typically, a user would be asked to create an account, but we've already created an account. For the purposes of this presentation, we're just going to go ahead and log in. The authentication services as well as data management for this app is handled through Amazon Web Services. So let's go ahead and log in. So this app was designed in response to the earlier prototype we provided to our counterpart at Food4Lives and the changes that they requested. Some of these were stylistic as well as functionality. So we're going to go ahead and show you. Once a user is logged in, they're taken to the feed, which shows information from the organization or from users posting related to their experience as a volunteer or donating resources to Food4Lives. As part of the process of making improvements to our demo, we provided a demo to our TA as well as to our counterpart at Food4Lives. And we took feedback from them, which primarily consisted of interviews of how they felt that we implemented changes that they requested in our earlier prototype, as well as things they liked and didn't like about the app. One of the things that our counterpart at Food4Lives mentioned is that they would prefer if only admin would be allowed to post on the feed. That way it wouldn't get too cluttered with information, and that volunteers could stay abreast of events as well as the needs of the organization. So we went ahead and implemented that. As far as our TA, we made an effort to increase font size for improved accessibility, especially for older volunteers, the elderly. So that was another thing that we integrated and updated into this app. So we're going to go ahead and post to the feed. This was restricted to admin. Then this will be able to have pertinent information for events and other things going on at the organization. We're going to go ahead into the group chat. And as you can see here, there's several different group chat sections. In order to join the chat, you're going to actually post any messages. You're going to have to join the chat. So there's a subscribe button. We're going to go ahead and there. Hello. We're going to show our posting message, and that's that. This is very useful, the group chat, especially for disseminating information on demand when, if volunteers are trying to locate an event or if there are changes or needs at the event. This is a good way to stay on demand communication with volunteers, especially with the organization which has too many methods for communicating with volunteers. And as part of our changes per our counterpart at Food4Lives, we integrated redirects to external web pages into the app versus opening an external app. So as you can see here, you can donate, and this is from the website, but it's integrated into our app. And this is very useful, and it's actually more streamlined. We're going to go ahead and look at the Lighthouse results. And these are just the overall evaluation. And overall, the performance was pretty solid for our app. Accessibility was very high. Best practices could use a little work, so we could maybe code in a manner that's more consistent with industry practice. But overall, the results were very promising. All in all, the interviews with our counterpart at Food4Lives demonstrated that they were happy with the progress that we made with this application, as well as responding to the feedback that we had received from them through this process. Thank you.